Welcome to Database Software Limited. This is our Magic of Math iPhone application, which is available on the App Store. There are 5 main tabs in our application: Start Learning, Browse Question, Model Exam, Wrong Answer, and more. Start Learning. In the Start Learning section, a user can learn question randomized. When user tap on the screen, then a question with 3 options is appeared. A user can select any of the questions and go to the next question. And user can able to verify the questions. If he answer right or wrong, user can also see the explanation of the questions here. Browse question. In the browse question section, all of the questions are appear in the table view. When user tap on the screen, then all of the question is appear. If user select any of the questions, then he see the question details. User can select any options and verify the answer and also see the explanation of the questions. Model exam section. In the model exam section, user can participate in an exam. Each exam contains 10 questions. Each question carries 10 marks and 100 marks in total. Now we are taking an examination. Select A, next, 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 C, next. Here shows the exam result. Wrong answer. In the wrong answer section, user can able to see the wrong answer questions in the Start Learning section. Here the wrong answer. In this section, user can select any options, verify the answer, and similarly see the explanation of the questions if he want. Mode. In the mode consists of 3 other features: exam report, start learning progress, and others. Exam report. In the exam report section, all of the exam details of the user will be shown. How many exam user participated and how many days user plays the application. Here shows played 30 days and 2 days average is count. Learning progress. In the learning progress section, the overall question status of a user will be shown here. How many questions user doesn't pass and how many questions he answered wrong and how many questions he answered correctly. Other consists 3 tabs. Credit. Company details will be shown in the credit part. Preference. In the preference section, user can be able to set up the app such as resume the learning progress and reset all of the user data. In the instruction part, all of the instruction of our application will be shown here. That's all from now. Thanks everyone for staying with us. Allah Hafiz.